Is this brioche? I mean, what?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's easy.
I'm lost for words. This is like, oh, I have to take this off. Sorry. It's...
Right, that'll be there.
Just,
Hi everybody, and welcome to our YouTube channel. We are, as always, your hosts Arne and Carlos, and today Carlos is gonna do something he's never done before.
I'm gonna knit brioche.
Yeah, the easiest way in the world to knit brioche.
This is like the least, well, I don't know, I'm just thinking. No, you tell them, because I don't know. I mean, I don't know. I'm gonna say it's...
But I told you how easy it is.
Yeah, he's really sold it to me.
But you never tried it.
He sold this to me as the easiest thing I'll ever do in my whole life.
Because I remember, like in the 80s, it was so popular doing brioche in Norway,
Yes.
or patent-strikk.
Patent-strikk
And
in
a
Norwegian.
lot of people were like so scared because it was so difficult. But it's actually very easy. And this is like with one color. We just do one color today. And it's, when you knit the Norwegian way, it is so easy. Because
Okay.
I've been checking like why is it so hard, and I've been checking like the videos for YouTube. But when you knit with your yarn up in the air, like the fingers, it's a lot of move the yarn to the front and to the back and stuff.
Okay.
So this is easier. Try.
Okay, so I've never done this before. I'm gonna try knitting brioche. I've always been, I'm not gonna say scared of it. I've just been very uninterested because everybody says that it's so complex and so difficult. And
You
blah,
will be
blah, blah.
surprised how easy it is.
And then I like knitting patterns. And also when you do like this kind of brioche, you have to really think about what you're gonna use it for. I mean, I think it would look quite cool as a scarf, maybe a nice chunky sweater, a nice cardigan would have been fabulous. But some things I think maybe too bulky.
It gets a little bit thick.
Yeah. But for
But
those
this
things,
is felted tweed, so it's actually actually soft even if it's thick.
so I've cast on, well, you have cast on.
I cast it on a few stitches. I don't know how much.
You don't know
This is
how
going to be
many.
a scarf, I think.
Yeah.
But do some brioche.
Okay, so I'm just gonna, you
I'm
tell
going
me.
to tell you. What's on your needle now? What's the next stitch?
I have to take this off, sorry. Let's see, it looks to me...
It's a purl.
Is it?
Yeah.
Yes, it's a pearl.
And remember, when you do this, you never purl.
Okay,
It's
no purling.
Only knitting.
Oh, well that's easy.
Yeah.
I mean,
So-
purling the Norwegian way is easy too, but
But every time when you have a purl on your needle, you slip the purl stitch with yarn over.
okay, so
Which in Norwegian style means the needle go under the yarn and then you slip the purl.
okay, let's see if I can do this. I hope you guys can see. Is it all okay?
But put the yarn on the finger normally.
Okay, so yarn goes over finger the Norwegian way. Remember, finger down, and in case of an emergency, pull the cord.
Pull the cord.
I think I taught you that already.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what do I do now?
Now the needle go under the yarn and you slip the purl.
Okay, so it's like a yarn over.
It's like a yarn over, and it's actually a yarn over, but it's also a needle under the yarn.
Okay.
Because you're not moving the finger.
Okay, so doing it the Norwegian way,
Which is a
basically-
cast in Norwegian, that's yarn over in
Yeah.
English.
So I'll literally take my needle. I'll go under here.
And into the purl, and you slip it.
Slip it. That's it.
Yeah.
That's it.
That's it. And then you have a knit stitch with, you can see there's two yarns, because that was
yarn
a
over.
purl with a yarn over on the other needle.
Ah.
Now this is a knit stitch, but you knit two.
So I just knit them together.
Yeah.
Like this.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then you
I
under
go
and slip.
Under. Is this brioche? Wait. I did it wrong. No, I didn't.
No, don't move your finger.
Sorry.
You see how it's so easy when you keep that finger behind the work all the
Wow.
time, because you don't have to move the finger back and
So
forth.
yarn over.
That's in one operation, just under the yarn and into the stitch from the back.
Yarn over, slip,
Yeah.
and then just knit these two together in a regular knit.
And I think maybe the slip is called purl whites or something in English, but in Norwegian knitting that is a slip stitch, no matter if it's a purl or a knit, because
Wow.
when you slip a stitch, you just move it from
And this
one...
is brioche.
Yeah. You just move it from one needle to the other without changing the stitch.
So tell me, Arne, what was I so not scared of, but not? I mean, what?
Yeah, it's easy.
I'm lost for words. This is like the easiest thing I've ever done in my life. I mean, yarn over, take that stitch, slip it,
and knit the two together,
and then go there and do that together.
You see how easy it is, because.
So when do I purl?
You never purl with one color. Why should you purl?
Because then when I go to the end, I just turn it around.
And you turn it around and you do the same
thing
again.
And when I do the same thing, it is.
Yeah.
Oh.
So it's always
clever.
Slip the purl with yarn over and knit two together.
I hope. Oops, there's a dog here that wants to knit with me. Hello. Hello. So pretty much what we are doing here is the easiest thing, the easiest brioche in the world. We're taking a little bit of that stigma, I would call it. Like Norway. Norway has a bad reputation. People think it's cold here all the time, and it is, but not all the time.
Not all the time.
And it's the same with this brioche thing. Everybody says how difficult it is, and it's not.
It's harder when you do two colors, but we can do that later. But it's not hard either, because.
So we'll do the two colors another time. So I go under
and slip.
Take my stitch, slip it, and then I go and I knit those two together. Yeah. The one that I yarned over and the one that I.
And the slip stitch is always like that because, and as I said, I think it's called like purlwise, but try to slip a purl stitch knitwise and see what happens.
How do I do that?
Then you go in like if you knit it.
Wait. I want to do my.
You see, it's not normal if you go the other way.
Yeah, this is slip.
Yeah.
And then I go in and I knit. Okay, now what was it you wanted me to do?
So you see, if you said slip knitwise, you can't.
I can't because it's a purl.
Yeah. So why should you slip knitwise or purlwise when you slip a stitch? A slip stitch is always a stitch that moves from one needle to the other.
I suppose if you knit in a different way, you may need to move that finger forward
I've seen
or
videos
back.
where people move fingers back and forth to make a yarn over.
But knitting the Norwegian way and doing brioche
you don't move anything.
is genius. Look at how easy it is. You take your needle, you go under the yarn, you just grab that stitch and then move it.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah. And
then you go in and you knit those two, which is the one that you moved and the one that you yarned over.
That was the purl with yarn over on the other needle.
And you just knit that, done.
That's easy.
And now I go under the yarn. Yeah. I'm just trying to illustrate this in a cool way.
When you knit Norwegian style,
it's easy.
It's very
easy. But so we're not going to do it now, but there's going to be a second episode coming very soon. And if you do it two-color way, I think that the Norwegian purl will make it easier too.
Yeah, it's easy, yeah. Because you don't move your fingers.
So, if you want a really easy brioche kind of way, you need to just learn how to knit the Norwegian way, and then you got it. Wow, I think that I might actually want to finish this scarf for you, Arne. Huh? No, sorry.
You're probably hooked on it now, so you can't stop.
It's actually quite fun.
So that's what...
The only thing is that when I go in there, I just want to purl it, you know?
Yeah, but you slip it.
But I slip it, exactly.
And you see, if you slip a stitch any other way, you change the stitch. So that's why your slip stitch is always a purl. A slip stitch is always a slip stitch.
Yeah.
Because you don't do it any other way.
I'm almost finished with my round here.
Yeah. So that's really easy.
And knit the two together.
So if you want to try to do brioche with one color the easy way, you have to learn how to knit Norwegian style.
Slip. And you can, because all you need to do is check out our videos. You know, they might be popping up there. We've got and if they're not up there, you can go to our YouTube channel and just search. We've got the purl, the Norwegian purl, the Norwegian knit. Just look for knitting and purling with Arne and Carlos. We even got the Norwegian knit and the Norwegian purl revisited because Arne is a very quick knitter and I'm a slower knitter. So we've both done our own versions. Some people love your version more. Some people love my version more. Doesn't matter. The whole point is you get to learn these fun, different ways of knitting that actually can help you. And once you get that knitting and actually all you need to do is get the knitting right for this. And once you get the knitting right,
I was it on Instagram. We saw this young guy from South Africa who taught himself to knit from our YouTube videos.
Oh yeah, yeah.
And
yeah.
he was knitting Norwegian style.
I think he was from South America.
South America. It was going so quick. He was
Yeah.
so good, but I don't remember his name now.
No.
But if you watch this, please tag us or say hello. Okay, so
Yeah.
I think
mean,
that's it for today.
that's
Are
pretty
you
much
happy?
it.
Are you happy with your
Well,
brioche?
yeah, I'm going to be knitting brioche. You know what? I'm going to be knitting myself a sweater now and a cardigan and maybe finish the scarf for you. And then I'm going to be taking up orders. So, you know, I mean, if you want some brioche.
Oh, don't
No,
promise
I
too
think
much.
I'm not going to promise too much. No.
Can you do it with glasses?
I tend to get knit with glasses.
You can't see it with your...
I can't, no. So yarn over, or in our case, go under the yarn, grab that stitch, pull it, and then go in, knit, blah, blah. There you go. Slip. And then knit. How easy this is.
So never purl when you do it this way.
Yeah, incredible, huh? Oh, I think I made a mistake here.
And that's the hard part.
Yeah, no,
When you
Yeah,
do a
but-
mistake, then you have to figure out what did you do the last time.
okay, yeah, I think we need to go back one more. There we go. Yeah,
Yeah, okay. So let's just make it today.
yeah, so that's the brioche made easy. Now I want you to go through this and just make sure that I didn't make something stupid. And Helmer
You
is
shouldn't
here as
lose
well.
the stitches because that's the hard part, to get
Yeah.
back on track.
Yeah, I'm sorry about that. Anyway, it is easy. Don't get discouraged just because I lost a couple of stitches in the end. I mean, I never did this in my whole life, and I did a whole round.
I think you did it so good.
Super easy.
It's easy.
So
And
we hope you enjoyed this video, and we hope that if you've never tried brioche, we hope that you're going to grab your needles and do it, because it is a lot of fun. This is so simple and so easy, and you know, in no time you'll be knitting all those chunky sweaters that you know would love to knit. Maybe we'll do some patterns for them as well. We haven't done any patterns with brioche yet, but I guess we will at some point. And yeah, this is going to be a lovely scarf. Love the way it looks.
Yeah.
So far. So if you like this episode,
I think you are a little bit shocked now because it was so easy.
I'm very shocked.
Yeah, you look like you're a little bit shocked.
Anyway, if you love this episode, please give it a thumbs up. And I'm sure you did. You loved it so much that now you're going to get addicted to brioche.
At least you have to finger down.
Finger down, yeah.
Norwegian style.
Pull the cord in
Then
case
you will
of
be
emergency.
addicted.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And yeah, make sure to turn on your notifications so that you can, so that you will be notified every time we put a new episode and you never miss anything. And please subscribe to our channel. The ARNE CARLOS family is a large, lovely, lovely family. And we look forward to welcoming you with open arms into our lovely family.
Yeah.
So thank you so much for watching. And we will see you again next week with a new tutorial.
Yeah.
And now I am just going to turn this around.
Yeah,
right?
you want to continue.
And I guess I am going to continue with my brioche knitting. Or was it already turned around?
No?
No. There we go.
Okay.
So thanks so much.
Bye.
See you. Bye.
I have to find my knitting. I can't just
Yeah.
sit here. Okay, see you next time. Bye.
Moose, moose. Moose, moose. Moose, moose.